Hyundai has officially taken the covers of its new Staria multipurpose vehicle, MPV, through a digital premiere early today. At first glance, the Staria stands out with its unusual design in the style of spaceships, as well as a very roomy interior. The Staria MPV stands 5,253mm in length, 1,997mm in width, and 1,990mm high. The wheelbase of the Staria is 3,273mm. Hyundai says the Staria MPV features a forward-looking body design that is inspired by spaceships. The carmaker explained that the key theme of the exterior was the curved line, which should evoke associations with a strip of light that illuminates the Earth's horizon at sunrise when viewed from space. Besides that, the low-set LED headlights located on the sides, a massive chrome grille, and large panoramic side windows with a low line also give Hyundai Staria a distinctive and futuristic appeal. Inside, the spaceship inspiration is set to continue, with front row passengers benefiting a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen with smartphone mirroring, touch-based infotainment controls, and a push-button gear shifter. Staria premium models are fitted as standard with a 64-color ambient cabin lighting system, with a Bose premium sound system also available. Also of note, the Staria comes with independent multi-link rear suspension and 7 airbags, as well as a host of advanced driver assist systems, including autonomous emergency braking, active blind spot monitoring, safe exit assist, and rear occupant alert. The Hyundai Staria will be available in 11, 9, 7-seat configuration as well as a 2-seater commercial version. The 7-seat versions of the mid-row car will be able to recline back at the push of a button, while for the 9-seater version, the second row can be rotated 180 degrees so that passengers sit facing each other. 2 and 3-seat van versions of the Staria will replace the Hyundai iLoad with up to 5,000 liters of cargo capacity and room for up to 3 Euro pallets in the rear. Power across the range will come from a choice of 2.2-liter turbo diesel or 3.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol V6 engines. The 2.2-liter turbo diesel has 130 kW of power and 431 Nm of torque, mated with an 8-speed automatic or 6-speed manual transmission. The 3.5-liter petrol has 200 kW of power and 331 Nm of torque. Along with the mainstream models, Hyundai will introduce a range of special vehicle versions of the Staria that includes limousines, ambulances, and a camper to take on the Volkswagen Multivan.